Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Nothing kills a vibe like a page not found error, but in Wix Studio, a 404 page is actually a secret opportunity to show off your brand's personality. Let's turn that dead end into a new beginning. Let's get started. Go to Pages on the left, and here click on the plus button or the Add New Page button. Select Page and click on Add below it. Once a new page gets added, make sure to properly rename it. All right, now brand it up and design it however you like. This is a great place to add a bit of humor if you like, maybe a funny illustration or a message. By the way, you can find some awesome illustrations you can use on Wix's library. And one more final important step. It's time for us to change the page's URL slug to error 404. To do that, let's go back to Pages, go to Our Page, and click the three-dot button next to it, and click on SEO Basics. Go to the SEO Basics tab, and under URL slug, make sure to replace it with error 404. So the page URL should look something like this. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a custom 404 or error page on Wix Studio. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.